Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. First of all, open your Messenger application and then click on menu. After click on menu, you can see here settings. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Click on see more in account center. Here, tap on your information and permission. Now you can see here download information. Tap on download your information. Click on download or transfer information. Select here your account. And click on next. You can see here specific types of information. Click on here. Now select message. And click next. Tap on download to device. Now you can see here date range. You can choose your date to download deleted message. Tap on date range and select here which time you want. Then click on save. Select your Gmail. It will be notify you when it is complete to download. And then click on create files. It takes some time. Please wait. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.